Man, did it take a long time to get to this point, I swear. I got a guy looking at me way over there, another one over there for the second angle. So what are we talking about? Well, 5 below 5 became Scuffed Epoch. It's a big deal. We had to change it because there was a thrift store in the USA called 5 Below. I'd never heard of it. They started expanding into the United Kingdom, so I was left with no choice but to rebrand. And the funny thing is, I actually used one of my agents to do it. So I used my Machiavellian brand hacking agent to do the plan for the switch. Obviously, I'd already had the rebrand had been in the works for about 6 months, funnily enough. It just sort of came to a point. So I'm making this video, first of all, to explain the change. That was the reason for the change. I think Scuffed Epoch, it reflects what we're doing better, and follow the lives and all that, and get better at training AI models. I'm looking at generative media coaching a lot more this year, because the thing is, beforehand it was like, write a course, and as I've explained, we've written articles up on the Substack about why courses are outdated, because the accelerationism beats you out. So, I mean, hey, you know, if you want to write courses with my AI tools, I bet you could do it in record time. So that's what I want to talk about now. So lately on the lives, every day, 7 or 8 o'clock, depending on your time zone, check out the pings in the Discord, link in the description. You can join us. I think I've been showing everybody my narrative spittoon inversion, comic inversion, all these different writing tools, okay? They use any LLM, right? So you can use it with any LLM. It's, what's it called? Anachronistic? I don't think that's the right word. But the point I'm trying to make is it's not like tied to any one system. And because it's not tied to any one system, you know, I'm not telling you, you have to subscribe to ChatGPT, you have to subscribe to, you know, whoever. I use Claude 3.7 extended thinking. I get excellent results with Klein in VS Code, but I've showed you how to do that on live. The real reason I'm bringing this up is because I just recently created a whole new thing, because up until now I've been like borrowing from previous work. I've been taking artworks I created for like one project and then like remixing it and putting it into the new project. So what I'm trying to do next is show you from scratch. And I think sometimes you don't notice that I'm doing it. So recently on the live, we've created a whole new style set called Empire. Empire is a completely new concept. It's like a new concept, and I think that the visual, you know, the story can follow the visuals, and then the visuals can follow the story, so you get a feedback loop going on. And so there's multiple points where you can keep what I call HIL, human in loop, right? So it's not automatic. There are multiple stages where it gets shunted, shifted, blended, augmented, and that's the difference. That's what makes it a human playing a guitar, because you have to play many strings to make a tune. You know, the guitar doesn't just work because you hold it, you know? And so this is the sort of thing that we're talking about. And to that end, what I've done is I've created an entire new lore book for the Empire series. And then I've created an entire new narrative bucket for a squad of 4 soldiers, and we're going to follow their adventures in the Empire universe. The first book's already written. I think it's 50,000 words, over 100 pages with 6 chapters. And so the next stage is aligning that to the image models that we've already got trained. And if we're not lucky, we'll be able to make graphic novels. So I'm thinking story on one side, big old picture on the other. I think that would be the coolest, you know, full color A4. I think that would be the coolest format. So that's pretty much what I'm working on. Now, this video you're watching right now is actually incredibly high budget. You wouldn't realize it, but we're using cutting edge technology to make this work. So I hope it goes well. It's a sort of offshoot of what we're doing with the members format. It's a beautiful, beautiful summer's day. Can't not be out here, can you? You know what I mean? But yeah, so like I said, it's going to be another interesting year. Hot AI summer is here. We're going to be having ControlNet video soon, so I'm going to be walking around and I'll be transmogrifying into all kinds of different things. So thanks to all the members. Thanks for your continued support. Thanks to everybody in the Discord community. You guys are the best. And look forward to crazy stuff. A whole new set of Loras, a whole new set of workflows. That's pretty much it for you guys. So I'm now just going to walk off, and hopefully it doesn't look like shit. All right. Thank you very much.